The title of this mini podcast is Unity. The Grasshopper hit me with this idea one day. There's opportunity in unity. It felt a little bit like a quote that's been around since 1624. No man is an island, but different. Unity suggests camaraderie to me. I guess that's why they call collections of military personnel units. I also have to mention the Three Musketeers motto, all for one and one for all. Going it alone is a tough road, whether professionally or personally, and it too often keeps opportunity on the horizon rather than in your grasp. Bringing other people into your circle to consult and cavort with presents more options and more opportunities. If you're stuck in place, reach out to another face. It's an exercise in unity that leads to opportunity. All the best, John.